Hello there, YouTubers. I just wanted to tell you about a problem that I've been having with my 2004 Chevy Venture minivan. This is probably something that's happened to a lot of people who have had these vans. We've had no heat. We've tried several different things with it. We had the heater cores flushed, had the radiator replaced. The radiator is pretty clogged anyway. Had a new heater core put in it, but we're still not getting good heat out of it. And we've had this van for 3 years to have the same problem pretty much the whole time. So finally my mechanic suggested replacing the water pump. I'm thinking, okay, we're getting good heat when we're driving down the road, but as soon as we stop and idle, it starts cooling down immediately. So he pulled the old water pump. Sure enough, this is what it looks like. These blades are supposed to have a little offshoot coming off of them all the way around. As you can see, the blades are pretty much gone. They're eroded. There's nothing there. He even told me he's never seen anything quite like it. So this compared to a brand new one, there's no comparison. I mean, wow, look at the difference. So when you're not getting any heat, or you only get heat when you're driving down the road, before you go and replace that heater core and all the other stuff in your cooling system, check the water pump. This is pretty cheap. This is a $20 replacement part with a lifetime warranty. So a lot cheaper than a radiator at this point. But anyway, I wanted to share that with you. If you had this problem, check that water pump. That might be your problem all along. Thanks for watching.